Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Kamran Mir, and in today's tutorial we will learn how to create multiple sessions in Google Meet. For that you must have an official account of your school or university. First go to your Gmail account. Make sure it is logged in with your so that you can see the option of Google Meet, because Google Meet is for only enterprise level and Google Hangout is free of cost for your personal account. So now go to the calendar app. Once you are in the calendar app, you can click on the plus sign and again tap on the event and type the title of your session, which is for example daily class of ICT, or whatever you want to give. It's your choice. And for example, let me keep it on Monday 9 o'clock 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and I want to repeat this session, so click on does not repeat and go to the custom option and click on the days on which you want to repeat this event. For example, I want to repeat this class from Monday through Friday every day, and click on done. So this event will be created on multiple times on daily basis from Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and you can add the people like your class. If you are using Google Classroom, you can type your classroom name, or if you want to type the email address of your friends, so you can type that one as well. After adding the class name, click on done, and then in add conferencing, click you'll get the Hangout Meet. You can add the description or attachment if you want, and just click on save. Now you can see there is a recursive multiple classes events have been created. You can click on any event to see the link of your Google Meet. It is quite difficult to copy the link, so you can use your personal computer, a laptop, to copy the Google Meet link, or you can type if you want to type by looking at this link and share this link in your Google Classroom. And even within Classroom, what you can do is type the Google link and you can reuse the post on daily basis, or you can so the link will remain same for all the classes. So that's it. Thank you very much. See you next time. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.